needs. There we go. That's perfect. Nice. That's the length I want, right there. So, let's cut it like that. Just like that. Let's go with medium on this one. No way I'm going to find that piece. Oh well, it blew out. One hole there. Let's see, can I reach it? No. Time to re-oil that. Wait a second. You thought I was going to stop there? No. We're going to do some carving. So there is the dowel plate block. Now I know a lot of you are going to have a lot of questions about this. What is it? What is it for? All the background of it. I have an entire video where I talk about the dowel plate, and I have a whole second channel, Wood by Wright 2, where all of the build videos in this channel happen over there as well. But on that one I talk through them and I teach as I go. That whole channel is about the education, the learning. This channel is more of the easy listening and watching things happen. So if you want to find out more questions about that, go over to the second channel. I probably answered them over there. This is a block that is designed to allow the dowels to stay straighter as you pound them down, so they're not bending as you pound them down in. So it gives you a little bit cleaner cut when you're making dowels. But yeah, I'm really happy with how this came out. Yeah, there's a lot of little mistakes and things like that. I was kind of pushing myself in slightly different directions and trying new things. It's one of those fun things that times where you're making something for the shop, don't be afraid to make a mistake. You'll probably learn something from it. Be willing to stretch yourself. Try something new. It is a great chance to expand. Try a little differently, and yeah, occasionally you'll make mistakes, but oh well, that's part of life. And you learn from it, and hopefully next time you don't. So get out in the shop, have a little bit of fun, and you never know what you're going to make. So I do want to say thank you to everyone who watches the channel. Thank you to everyone who subscribes and hits the like button. Those really do help out the channel. Also, everyone that's scrolling over here on the side, they are the patrons who are really keeping this channel going. On top of that, anyone who has clicked the join button, become a member, thank you. Everyone who's supporting the channel, you are literally the ones making this happen. So thank you for that. Without patrons and members on the channel, this channel wouldn't exist. So I think that'll about do it for today. And until next time, have a wonderful day. I would hope that this block of wood would do more than just make dowels. I mean, for goodness sakes, the Swiss Army knife does a whole bunch of things, and this really reminds me a lot of Swiss cheese, so it should do more things, right?